Hi, this is John Daniels from TheRingLord.com. I am demonstrating the Shaggy tags weave as shown here. It is a ridiculously easy weave. It's basically just making a one-in-one chain with 2 tags in every ring. You can have hours of fun flipping it over and watching all the tags line up again. And before we start, I'll show you a few examples. Here's a completed bracelet made out of anodized titanium. And here's a pair of earrings made with 2 colors, so if you alternate, and I'll explain when I'm doing it, but if you alternate colors of tags as you add sets, you get this look. Now a bit about materials. Of course, all materials are available from TheRingLord.com. We're using jump rings. In this case, we're using 18 gauge 3/16 of an inch red anodized aluminum. The ring size is a little bit forgiving. You can use 5/32 or 3/16. You can use 18 gauge or 19 gauge, even 20 gauge. 18 gauge 3/16 is good, but if you have other sizes that you want to use, go for it. If you use a smaller ring, your tags are a little tighter together and gives you a slightly different look. Heck, you could even alternate sizes and change it up and do something a bit different. Okay, so there is pretty much just one step, maybe 1.5 steps. You take one ring and you put 2 tags on it and you close the ring. The only slight complicating factor, and it's not very complicated, is you need to basically split your tags. So for example, I put both tags on one side and close the ring. Then I need to flip one of these tags over to the other side, like this. Pretty easy. And then repeat and repeat and repeat. So, put the ring through, put 2 tags on it, close the ring, flip the tag, and repeat. If you really wanted to, you could skip the flipping step by putting 1 tag on one side and 1 tag on the other side. But overall, that doesn't actually save you anything. But pick whatever works for you and go with it. A few ways you can make this more exciting is you can use multiple colors of tags to make some sort of pattern. If you wanted to get really fancy, you could get our set of, say, letter stamps, and you could stamp letters on the tags and you could spell words. You could like laser engrave patterns on the tags and do something cool that way, or talk us and do laser engraving patterns onto the tags for you. I guess one of the couple advantages of this weave, first of all, ridiculously easy. You can train someone to make it in like 10 minutes. You can teach classes on making it, and everyone will get it. You can teach kids how to make it. Also, the materials are very, very inexpensive. A bracelet for well under $1. Earrings for sort of like 10 cents an earring kind of thing. I will also mention we have this. If you want to make it not so inexpensive, we have this anodized aluminum clasp that can be connected. It's perfectly matches the color of the rings. The 18 gauge 3/16 rings fit through it. And there you go. But yeah, any clasp will work. Hook clasp, lobster clasp, toggle clasp will all work. But my favorite part is definitely this flipping over and having them all line up again. And it does looks great when you hang it with all of the little tags lining up like this. If you don't mind chaos, you can use it as a bracelet, and then it normally sits like a square. Yeah, sometimes they sort of line up. If it's tight, they sort of line up. If it's loose, they're laying all random like, which is good too. Yeah. Thanks for watching.